Hi everyone, and welcome back to English Flow Studio. I'm Emma, and I'm here with Ryan.
Hi, everyone.
You may have had this experience. You walk into a pharmacy, but you stop for a moment. You worry you don't know the medical words, you're not sure how to describe your symptoms, and you feel nervous to ask for medicine in English.
And when the pharmacist speaks, you worry you won't understand the questions, and if you speak, they may not understand you.
So today, we'll look at 10 real pharmacy moments that often make people pause, and we'll give you soft, simple English you can use right away.
Let's begin with the first moment when you walk into the pharmacy and you're not sure how to start the conversation.
Let's begin with something very common. You walk into a pharmacy, you look around, and suddenly you don't know how to start.
Yes, maybe the place is busy, the shelves are full, and the pharmacist looks serious. You know what you need, but the words don't come out.
In this moment, you don't need big medical English. You only need one soft line to open the conversation. You can say, "Hi, I need something for," and then share the problem.
This line works for anything: pain, fever, stomach problems, a cut, or a simple cold.
Let's try a short example. "Hi, I need something for a sore throat."
Sure, I can help.
Simple, soft, and clear.
And if you don't know the name of the medicine, you can say, I don't know the name, but I can explain the problem.
This helps the pharmacist understand you without pressure.
After you start talking, the pharmacist usually asks about your symptoms.
And this part makes many people nervous. You worry you don't know the medical words, but the truth is you only need simple English.
For example, I have a headache. I have a cough. I have a fever. My throat hurts.
And for stomach problems, you can say, "I have stomach pain. I have diarrhea. I feel sick after eating. I think I have food poisoning."
If you have an injury, you can say, I hurt my knee. It's swollen. I have a small cut.
Let's try a short example.
What symptoms do you have?
"I have stomach pain and diarrhea since this morning."
Okay, let me find something for that.
Soft English helps you explain everything without stress.
And if you need more time, you can say, let me explain slowly, or I'm not sure, but I can tell you how I feel.
Both lines are gentle and give you space to speak comfortably. After you share your symptoms, the pharmacist needs to check two important things: what medicine you are already taking, and if you have any allergies.
Many people feel shy here, especially when they don't know the exact names of their medicine.
But you don't need to know the names. You only need simple sentences like, "I'm taking something for pain," or "I take medicine for my stomach."
And if you don't know the name, you can say, I don't know the name, or I can show you a photo.
For allergies, you can say, "I have no allergies," or "I'm not sure," or "I'm allergic to penicillin," only if you know.
Let's try a short conversation. Are you taking any other medicine?
"I'm taking something for pain, but I don't know the name."
No problem. Do you have any allergies?
"I'm not sure."
Okay, I'll give you something gentle.
See? Soft answers help the pharmacist decide safely without making you feel embarrassed.
You don't need perfect English. You just need clear, simple words. Sometimes the medicine is not for you. It may be for your child, your partner, your parent, or a friend.
But when the pharmacist asks, "Is it for you?" you may suddenly feel unsure about how to answer.
You don't need long sentences. Simple English is enough. You can say, "It's for my son. He is 5. It's for my mother. She is 60. It's for my friend."
And if the pharmacist asks about age, you can answer softly. He is 10. She is 35. He is 70.
Let's try a small example. Is the medicine for you?
No, it's for my daughter. She is 7.
Okay, I'll give something safe for children.
Clear, soft English, nothing difficult.
And if you want to add more detail, you can say, "She has a fever," or "He has a cough." This helps the pharmacist choose the right medicine.
Another moment that makes people nervous is when the pharmacist says, "This medicine requires a prescription."
You hear the word and you freeze. You don't know what to say next. You don't know if there's another option.
But the English you need is very simple. You can ask, "Do I need a prescription for this?" Or, "I don't have a prescription."
And if you want something easier, you can say, "Do you have an over-the-counter option?" This means you want a medicine that does not need a prescription.
Let's try a short example. "Do I need a prescription for this?"
Yes, this one requires a prescription.
"I don't have one. Do you have something similar?"
Yes, I can give you a softer version.
Soft, calm English keeps the moment comfortable.
You don't need medical words. You just need simple questions to help you find the right option.
Sometimes the pharmacy doesn't have the medicine you need. They may say, "We're out of stock."
This moment can feel stressful. You don't know what to do next, and you don't know the words to ask for another option.
Here are soft, useful lines you can use. "Do you have something similar?" "When will it be available?" "Is it in another store?"
Let's try a small example. "I'm sorry, we're out of stock."
"Oh, do you have something similar?"
Yes, here is another brand.
And if you want to know when the medicine will arrive, you can ask, "When will it be available?"
This keeps the conversation gentle and clear.
And if you want to check another store, you can say, "Is it available at your other branch?" This question is simple but very helpful.
Soft English makes a hard moment much easier.
Now let's look at a moment that makes many people nervous: understanding how to take the medicine.
Yes, the pharmacist may speak quickly, and you hear numbers, times, and medical phrases that are difficult to catch.
But you don't need to understand every word. You only need to listen for the important parts: how many, how often, and when.
Let's look at some simple lines you will hear often. Take 1 tablet twice a day. Take after meals. Take before bed.
If you don't understand, you can say, "Could you say that more slowly?" Or, "Could you repeat the last part?"
Let's try a small example.
"How do I take this?"
Take 1 tablet twice a day after meals.
"I'm sorry, could you say that more slowly?"
Sure. 1 tablet in the morning and 1 tablet at night. Take it after meals.
That's clear, thank you.
And if you want to confirm the details, you can say, so 1 in the morning and 1 at night, right?
This small confirmation helps you feel safe and helps the pharmacist know you understood everything.
After you understand the dosage, you may want to ask about side effects.
This moment can feel awkward, but it's an important question. And the English can be very simple. You can say, "Any side effects?" Or, "Will it make me sleepy?"
And if you want to be careful, you can ask, is it safe with other medicine?
Let's try a short example. "Any side effects?"
It may make you a little tired.
Okay. "Will it make me sleepy?"
It can, so try not to drive.
Clear, soft communication.
If the pharmacist says something complicated, you can answer, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it? Or can you say it more simply?
These lines help you understand without stress and without sounding unsure. Another important pharmacy moment is when the pharmacist tells you what you should avoid when taking the medicine.
Yes, these warnings are very important, but they may sound difficult if the pharmacist speaks quickly.
Here are common lines you may hear. Don't take it on an empty stomach. Avoid alcohol. Drink plenty of water. Avoid sunlight.
And to confirm, you can say, so I take it after meals, right? Or, so I should avoid alcohol.
Let's try a small example. Don't take this on an empty stomach.
So I take it after meals, right?
Yes, after meals.
And if the warning is long, you can simply ask, could you tell me the important part again?
This question is gentle and helps you feel safe before you buy the medicine.
Simple English, but very useful in real pharmacy situations.
Now let's look at the final moment before you leave the pharmacy. Paying, talking about insurance, and checking you understood everything.
This moment can feel busy. The pharmacist speaks fast, the price appears on the screen, and you don't want to slow anyone down.
But the English you need is very simple. You can ask, how much is it? Or, do you take card?
And if you need insurance, you can say, is this covered by insurance? Or, do you need my card?
Let's try a small example. How much is it?
It's 12 euros.
Do you take card?
Yes, card is fine.
Soft, calm, and easy.
And before you leave, it's important to confirm the key instructions. You can say, just to check, 1 tablet twice a day, right? Or, so I take it after meals.
These questions make sure you feel safe and understand everything clearly.
Then you can end the conversation gently. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A soft ending for a stressful moment. Let's listen to a full, simple pharmacy conversation from beginning to end. Hi, I need something for a sore throat.
Sure. How long have you had it?
Since yesterday, my throat hurts and I have a small cough.
Are you taking any other medicine?
I'm taking something for pain, but I don't know the name.
That's okay. Do you have any allergies?
I'm not sure.
No problem. Is the medicine for you?
Yes, it's for me.
Okay. You don't need a prescription for this, but I'll give you a gentle option.
Thank you.
Take 1 tablet twice a day after meals.
Sorry, could you say that more slowly?
Of course. 1 tablet in the morning and 1 tablet at night. Take it after meals.
So, 1 in the morning and 1 at night, right?
Yes, that's right.
Any side effects?
It may make you a little tired.
Okay.
And don't take it on an empty stomach.
So I should eat first, right?
Yes.
Great. How much is it?
It's 8 euros.
Do you take card?
Yes, card is fine.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Feel better soon. Thank you for spending this time with us today.
If you enjoyed this calm practice, feel free to follow or subscribe. We're happy to learn with you every day.